This is Anna. She's got beautiful donut rosetting to her. Come here, sweetie. She can see in her pictures. She's a little Spitfire. Come here. Let's see, come here. She loves attention like all the other ones. It's a very sweet litter. See if I can hold her up so you can see her rosetting. She's going to look like a little leopard when she grows up. She's going to be beautiful. Come here, skate by the scruff. She doesn't want to be pet. She's like, I want to play. I don't want you stretching me. Can you say hi? Anna.